Yeah, we are showing how you can mirror your phone over here with the 6866 series. We mirror our Android phone with the radio, and right now the radio is showing the reflections of my Android phone over there. I can do a lot of things, except I cannot touch the monitor of the radio. I can touch my phone, so it will reflect on the set. So this is the CarPlay. As you guys can see, we are using the Google Pay. The options is wide, full screen. There are plenty of features, so I'm using the full. So yeah, that's the beauty of the Japanese radio. You can have the dual system, original, at the same time Android inside. So if you need the kit, please order. The details is in the comments, also in the screen. Please WhatsApp us. Thank you.